Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shashi K. Pathak from National Institute of Education. Welcome back to my How to Learn video series of short videos. In this video, we'll solve this problem using logarithmic functions. So let's get started and understand the problem first. So what I see here that there's a multiplication between these two quantities, but the base is same, which is here as root 3, right? And here also, this is root 3 here, and root 3 is also in denominator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a system where we know that a to the power 2 when multiplied to a to the power 3 becomes a to the power 5, right? The powers are added. In the same way, if a to the power 5 is divided by a to the power 3, then powers get subtracted, then 5 minus 3, and then you get a to the power 2, right? So I'm going to use this here. So let's write down again this part. So start with this here, right? So the first step will be to write down the numerator form. The numerator will be under root of 3, and then we have log here, right? Log 48 base 4 plus, because powers will be added, so then we have log of 2 and base 4, and we can put a bracket here just to identify them clearly. Okay, so now in the denominator we still have square root of 3 and to the power log of 6 base 4. Okay, now the next step, we can take this also in numerator from denominator to numerator. Then we are going to get under root of 3, and then the power will be log of 48 base 4 plus log of 2 base 4 and minus of log 6 base 4, right? And then put a bracket here. So that goes in numerator and becomes with a minus sign here. So what I see here, this is actually log a plus log b minus log c, something like that. So let's understand this part here. And so if I write here log a plus log b and minus log c, that will be nothing but simply log of a into b, okay, over c, right? So using the same principle here, the next step we have square root of 3, and then we have here log of 48 multiplied to 2 but divided by 6, bracket closed, and base is still 4, right? So when you have a situation like that, what we can do, we can simply cancel this 6 and 48, 6 8 48 actually. So 6 8 48, right? So what we get in the next step, we get square root of 3 and then log, and this is 8 into 2 is 16, so we write 16 here and base 4, which can further be written as the next step, square root of 3 is still there, and this is log of 4 square base 4. So 4 square means this 2 is going to jump here, and that will give you under root of 3 is still the power. So 2 of log 4 base 4. What is log 4 base 4? So to understand this part here, log a base b is log a over log b, same base. And if a is equal to b, then what happens? Then this part becomes 1, right? So if this part is 1, then here the same situation will apply, because what I see here that this part is equal to 1. So the next step, we have under root of 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 1, which is under root of 3 square, and which is nothing but simply again 3, under root of 3. So that is actually 3, under root 3 square. So you can put a bracket here, just want to understand a little bit clearly. This is equal to 3. So your answer is 3, right? So answer is 3, and that's the final answer for this question. So for more videos, you can log on to YouTube and go to education, right? NIE. Thank you and thanks for watching.